What's up, guys? Got a couple Matchbox oldies but goodies. So first we have the 73 or 75 Opel Kadett, and then we got the Ford Capri. Two cars that kind of look similar in my eyes, if I can get them out. That's why. Beat the crap out of that thing. And we got this one. So, first things first, beautiful color. You got some lights, some headlights. Awesome. Nice. You got nice tail lights. Like I said, great color. Nice. No suspension. Opel Kadett. And then we got the Ford Capri. Pretty similar. Got some headlights. No tail lights. But it's pretty similar, I think. I'm going to show you. Pretty similar. A little bit different. Kind of the same. Just had a little difference here and there. Very nice, though. I'm going to go with this one. That's the best. Two nice Matchbox cars. Collect them if you got them.